For all those that think yogurt is popular because of its taste and creamy nature, so I'm going to be telling you that there is more to yogurt than just its taste. Yogurt has a lot of health benefits. Good day everyone, and welcome back to Nurses Lecture Room YouTube channel. My name is Miss Mary, popularly known as the Nurse with the Difference, and I make learning easy and accessible for all my viewers. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 useful health benefits of yogurt. Most people feel, oh, I'm taking yogurt because it's sweet, it's creamy, it's tasty. Not just that. So if somebody tells you tomorrow you take a lot of yogurt, you are taking it too much, tell them there are a lot of health benefits associated with yogurt. But before we go into details in today's gist, please, if you are new on our YouTube channel, please again click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification button so you don't miss out. For all my returning subscribers, this is me saying thank you. Let's go there. Alright, welcome back. Like I earlier said, today I'm going to be sharing with us 10 health benefits of yogurt. And the first one I have to share with you is that yogurt is good for the bones. Yes. So if you are scared, my bones are very weak, my bones are very fragile, my bones are this, there's a risk I'm going to go down with osteoporosis. See, what you need is yogurt. Yogurts are really very good for the bones because they contain what we know as calcium. For those that have heard about calcium and the benefits, you will know that when you hear calcium, you have to talk about bone growth. So yogurt has a lot of calcium in it that helps your bone to stay strong. So that is why yogurt is good for the bones, because it has a mineral known as what? Known as calcium. Then the second benefit of yogurt is that it helps for faster workout recovery. What do I mean by that? After your exercise, you are exhausted, you don't have enough strength, so yogurt will go a long way to help you with that. Let me tell you why. Yogurt has carbohydrates in it, and it also has protein in it. This protein helps to kind of limit the absorption of the carbohydrate, so that the carbohydrate will last longer, so that the lactose in it will last longer. So you can see why yogurt is very good when it comes to faster recovering from workout. It has both carbohydrate, it has carbohydrate, and it also has protein in it. So after your exercise, you can take some yogurt instead of those caffeinated drinks that are not good for your body. Take yogurt, take water, you are good to go, because yogurt is more healthy than the caffeinated drinks. Then the other point I have to share with you, which is the third point, is that yogurt helps to control blood pressure. Yogurt helps to control blood pressure. I'm going to tell you why and how. You know that in terms of our body systems, when you take in salt, when there's excess salt in your body, it tends to increase your blood pressure. This is what we have said over and over again. So yogurt contains potassium, and this potassium, should I say, it helps to neutralize that sodium. Now you get, it helps to suppress the sodium it helps to suppress the sodium, the salt in the body. So that is why sodium still has a role to play to prevent blood pressure. So instead of you to take a lot of sodium, a lot of salt, it's better for you to take what? A lot of yogurt, which has potassium in it. That's that for the third point. Then the fourth point I have to share with you is that yogurt helps to boost immunity. Yes, it helps to boost your immune system. Your yogurt contains good bacteria. These good bacteria help to activate your body. It helps to build your immune system. So when your immune system is strong, it is able to fight infections, it is able to fight diseases, and it's able to fight bacteria that are invading your body. They contain these probiotics. These probiotics are what helps us to build our immune system when we take yogurt. Yogurt contains what? They contains probiotics. This probiotics helps to what? Build our immune system. Then the other point I have to share with you, I guess that's the 1, 2, 3, 4, that's the fifth point. It helps to prevent yeast infection. For females that usually go down with yeast infection, taking yogurt will help you prevent frequent reoccurrence of yeast infection. So you can see, as a woman, yogurt is good for you because it will help to reduce the reoccurrence of yeast infection. Then the sixth point I have to share with you is that yogurt aids weight loss and helps to reduce that appetite that makes you want to eat voraciously. So you may want to ask, like, how? Why would yogurt just sit down and be reducing weight loss? Instead of you taking your normal snacks, instead of you taking your normal caffeinated drinks, you take yogurt. It helps to give your body, it helps to build your muscles. You get, it helps to build your muscles and thereby reducing the fat. So yogurt helps to help you to lose fat. It helps you to lose weight in general, and also reduces your appetite. So when you take yogurt, you know the lactose in your body lasts longer. That's because of the protein and carbohydrates in it. It helps your body to last longer. So yogurt helps to what? Reduce weight loss. That's the first one I said was it is good for the bones. The second one I said was faster recovery, faster workout recovery. The third one I said was it controls blood pressure. The fourth one I said was it helps to boost your immunity. The fifth one I said it helps to prevent yeast infection. Then the sixth one I said was that it aids weight loss, and it aids weight loss and helps to decrease your excessive appetite. Then now to the seventh point. The seventh point is that it helps to decrease allergy symptoms. For those that usually have allergies during some seasons, some will tell you, oh, during winter I have allergy to this, during summer I have allergy, during the dry season, during the rainy season I have some allergies to pollen grains, I have some allergies to this. So taking yogurt helps to reduce that allergy, that unnecessary allergy. So for those that are allergic to things like that, it will help you to reduce it when you take yogurt. That's the number 7. And number 8 point is that it helps to build the muscles. Yes, yogurt helps to build the muscles, not fats. Take note that there's a difference between fats and muscles. Yogurt helps you to build your muscles and reduces your fat. You know, yogurt contains protein. It contains the essential amino acid, and this essential amino acid helps to build your muscles, helps to build your tissues so that they will be able to function well. It helps you to get good muscles. It's not fat. Take note, your muscles are building up does not mean your fat is building up. So for those that mistake fats for muscles, they are different things entirely. So yogurt helps you to what? Yogurt helps you build your muscle, and it helps you lose fat or lose weight. That's the 8th point. Then the 9th point is that yogurt helps to reduce your risk of cancer. To be specific, when I was going through some research work, I said that yogurt helps to reduce the risk of cancer, especially the breast cancer, the bladder cancer, and the colon cancer. I think it's something like that. So it helps to reduce the risk of cancer because it has this anti-carcinogenic agent in it. This anti-carcinogenic agent in it helps to prevent, it helps to reduce the risk of an individual going down with cancer. So if you don't know that now, that should encourage you to take yogurt. Then the last point I have to share with you is that looking at that's number 10 now, looking at what we've been discussing so far, you see that yogurt contains the necessary nutrients. It contains a lot of nutrients that is needed for our body to function effectively well daily. So you have to take yogurt. Remember, like I always tell you, too much of everything is bad. And one good thing about yogurt is that it's not something you can say, oh, I'll take it in the morning, I won't take it in the afternoon, yogurt is only taken in the morning, it's only taken in the afternoon, it's always taken in no. You can take it as your breakfast with some other things, you can take it as your lunch, you can take it as your dinners. I've seen people mixing up yogurt with bananas to take as lunch. I've seen people mixing up yogurt with strawberries to take as lunch. You get, so it all depends on how you want it. You get, it all depends on how you want it. But one thing you should know that is that the health benefits of yogurts are far more. They are really much. It's not just the taste, it's not just the creamy nature, it's not just the enticing nature. It's actually the benefits involved in it. So if you are not adding yogurt to your diet, I think you should add it at least once a day. You should be having a little bowl of yogurt to help you stay healthy, especially for the ladies, to help you prevent yeast infection. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share with your friend if you got value. For all my returning subscribers, I am saying thank you. If you are a nursing student and you have not registered for our classes on Telegram, you have been missing a lot. All you have to do is to send a message to the WhatsApp number showing on your screen so that you can have access to all our voice notes that will help you prepare for your departmental courses and also for your nursing and midwifery council exams. Thank you once again for staying tuned and have a wonderful day ahead. Bye.